Welcome to this step-by-step video for filter maintenance in the Rhythm Healthcare P2 Portable Oxygen Concentrator. Filter maintenance is critical to ensure your device continues to perform at the optimum level. In this video, we will cover the pre-filter and cotton intake filter maintenance. Let's get started. Items you'll need: small flat blade screwdriver, tweezers, replacement cotton intake filter, P2 FC-1. First, remove the battery. Press and hold the battery latch, then slide the battery away from the unit. The pre-filter should be inspected and cleaned once a week. At the bottom of the pre-filter, there is a locking tab. On earlier models, a screw was used to secure the pre-filter. Gently pull the tab outward to release the pre-filter from the unit. Remove any dirt or debris from the pre-filter screen. If necessary, the pre-filter can be washed with tap water and a mild detergent. After cleaning, it is important to allow the pre-filter to dry completely before reinstalling it in the POC. Next is the cotton intake filter. This should also be checked weekly. The cotton intake filter cannot be cleaned. If you notice dirt or debris, it should be replaced. Otherwise, it is recommended to replace it every 3 months. Carefully remove the intake cotton filter by using tweezers prying out one side, then remove completely. Looking at the cotton filter, you can see that it is layered. Make sure the filter is installed with one of the solid sides facing outward, as this ensures a proper fit. If it is not installed this way, the filter may be loose, creating an air gap that reduces its effectiveness. Reinstall the pre-filter by inserting the top, then latching at the bottom. You should hear and feel when it locks into place. Finally, reinstall the battery, making sure it securely latches into place. Thank you for viewing.